Hey guys, today I'm going to try making some spiral cut hot dogs. I've never done this before, but I saw a couple videos on it and it looked kind of neat. So this is a 1 pound package of hot dogs. So these are quarter-pound hot dogs. These are Miller's Colossal Beef Franks. So let me get one of these out of here. And the first thing we do is put it on a skewer, and that keeps the knife from going all the way through the hot dog when I try to cut it. So let's see if I can get this on there straight. This is a pretty long hot dog.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
There we go. Looked like I did pretty good there. Now what we do is just says take your knife and start cutting at an angle, and then you just go down to the stick and keep rotating it like this. I guess it's working. Uh-oh. It says you usually won't cut your hot dog in half, or it usually won't fall apart, but mine's not working out too good. It seems like it's breaking apart. I don't know if this is going to work or not. Well, let's see what happens when I try to pull it off the stick. Is this going to be in one piece now, or? Nothing's ever as easy as it looks. Although the casing is kind of holding it together, sort of, but seems like it's twisted or something. Oh, okay. Maybe it did work. I'm going to try cutting another one. I already have it on the stick. I'm using a different knife to see if that makes it any easier. It's probably one of these things you got to do a few times to kind of get the hang of it. These are really big hot dogs too. I saw people doing it with smaller hot dogs, so I don't know if that makes a difference or not, but we'll see how this one goes here. Well, that one might have went a little bit better. Yeah, I think that one worked a little bit better. Anyway, let's go put them on the grill. I did a third one off camera, and that one looks like it's the best one yet. So I think it's like I said, I think the more you do this, you get better at it. So I'm going to just do all 4 of them, and we'll see which one turns out the best. I think this one turned out a little bit better too. Second 2 turned out a little bit better than the first 2. Now the question is, can I cook these without them falling apart? Annie's down there saying, I hope they fall apart and I'll come down here. Alright, got the grill lit there. Let's see how this goes. Okay. Alright, so far so good. It's been about 3 or 4 minutes here, so let's see how these are doing. Well, so far so good. I'm still not real sure they're going to hold together, but I guess we'll see what happens. Starting to look good. These are starting to look pretty good. They're in order of the way I cut them. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. Wonder if they're gonna stay together when I get them off the grill though. These look pretty good. Now I'm going to attempt to get them off the grill here. See what happens. Well, a little hot. It worked. It actually came out looking pretty good. I have some rolls. Not sure if they're going to be big enough, but I'm going to try putting one on a roll. Well, that sort of worked. I bought this roll at Lucky's. I think it's called a Tolera roll. It was in the bakery section. Looks like it's just going to be about the right size. Anyway, let's give it a bite here. Well, that worked out pretty good. They stayed together, they taste good. I think it was a success. Thanks for watching, you guys. Talk to you next time. I guess we better give the weenie dog a taste of a weenie. Annie's a Chiweenie, part Chihuahua and part Dachshund. There you go, Annie.